friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen lasagna in the air fryer. So what we need is frozen lasagna, a pan that fits inside the air fryer, and I'm also going to use cooking spray so lasagna doesn't stick to the pan. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the pan with oil, or you can line it with parchment paper. So I'm going to open the package of lasagna. So it's frozen. No need to defrost. Air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. So I'm going to open it. So now I'm going to spray the bottom of the basket, not the bottom of the pan with non-stick cooking spray. And now I'm going to take this frozen lasagna and put it upside down on the pan. And the reason why I'm doing it, if you ever tried to cook frozen lasagna in the air fryer, you probably saw that the cheese burns and the inside is still cold. So to counteract this problem, I'm going to make sure the cheese is on the bottom so it can't burn so easily. So now I'm going to put it in the air fryer, and at the end we're going to flip it, but the main cooking will be done upside down. So let's put the pan in the air fryer. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 18 minutes. And now the air fryer is done cooking, so I'm going to take out the basket and let's flip over the lasagna. And now I flipped it over and let's finish cooking it. So I'm going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes. So I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this lasagna. It's perfectly cooked and it looks amazing. Air fryer cooked it perfectly straight from frozen. Now, if you'd like, you can also take the internal temperature, and it should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit because all the air fryers cook differently. So if yours is not cooked in the middle, you can always put it back in the air fryer for another few minutes. But I know that this is cooked because that's how I always make frozen lasagna in my air fryer. So let me take it out. Perfect. Look at this lasagna. It's perfectly cooked. Let's try it. Let me just cut it so you see how inside it's perfectly cooked. It tastes delicious. You will love cooking frozen lasagna in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!